a game of tug-of-war, the strongest man on Earth, or 100 kids? 3, 2, 1, go! And that's just the first of some of the most epic competitions you've ever seen. We're racing the fastest jetpack in the world. We have the world record high jumper in a dunking contest. We have the world's best soccer player competing against celebrities, starting with the fastest woman on the planet versus these 100 men in a race. When did you win these 3 gold medals?
2 weeks ago.
Literally 2 weeks ago. How many gold medals do you have?
0.
Yell if you think you can beat her.
Easy dubs, baby. Let's go.
Between us, are you confident you're gonna beat them?
Yes.
Okay. Hey guys, I'll give you 100 grand if you beat her. All right, please don't lose. Please don't lose that. This is a race to the finish line, and the first one to cross wins. $100,000 to anyone faster than Melissa. 3, 2, 1. All right, they're up. They're up. Can any of the guys beat the fastest woman on the planet?
Let's go. Oh.
She's ahead. She's ahead. She's ahead. Oh, she's ahead. Oh, it's actually close. She's currently in the lead. Wait, 35. 35 is gaining on her. Oh, she's speeding up. She's coming up. Oh, my God. Oh, look. Oh, she was first. Oh, my gosh. Whoa. You won. Shocker, you won. 35. You are actually not too far behind.
Good job. I saw you. Great job.
Wait, do you do track?
No.
Oh, you probably should. Shocker, the fastest woman in the world is very fast. Let's go to the next bit. For our next challenge, we have the smartest, greatest, #1 jet ski racer on the planet, DJ Khaled.
That's right, Miami Zone 305. I'm ready to go. I don't care who's on a jet ski.
Well,
you know, I run the ocean.
You're-
I am gonna come out on top.
Well, you're not racing someone that's using a jet ski. Oh, you'll see. You're clear for takeoff.
Take off.
Just look right over there. You're racing the #1 jet suit racer on the planet.
I don't know what that is.
I didn't either, but apparently people actually race in jet suits, and this guy is the best in the world.
So is there a trophy? Is there?
Yeah, the winner gets a huge trophy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'll take that.
Hey, can we get a trophy made before the end of the race, please? Thank you. The challenge is simple. DJ Khaled will be on a jet ski while Issa takes to the skies. And the first person to complete 1 lap through our course is the winner. Gentlemen, are you ready? 3, 2,
This guy can't beat me.
1, go! 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 And they're up. All right, DJ Khaled is in the lead, but Issa's right behind him and he's catching up. They're turning the first corner now.
Woo! Woo! Oh, he's catching up! He's so close!
Issa's going faster on the straightaway. Oh no!
He just passed him!
He caught up to Khaled.
Go, Khaled, go!
But it's not over.
Wait, he can still actually win.
These turns are where the jet ski's gonna go faster. Khaled can gain ground. No! No! Khaled, go faster! There's a few turns left! This is your last chance to be the greatest!
Wait, Khaled's catching up! Go, Khaled, go!
Go! Go! What are you doing?
Go, Khaled, go!
The race is still going! Why are you celebrating?
Woo! Let's go!
Oh my gosh, I think Issa did it! That was a blowout! Jetsu was so fast! And then there's DJ Khaled.
We the best! Woo! This guy can't beat me.
We did it!
You won, but Khaled is celebrating like he won.
Woo! It feels so good to win.
No, I won.
Brother,
Bro, I won.
brother, we all winners.
You're gonna have to take
Another one. Make sure my trophy's ready. I'm gonna put it beside all my other trophies.
All right, let's go to the next challenge.
You definitely won, but it's fine.
Congrats, Khaled! Up next, I brought back a couple of people you might recognize. We have Speed, Ronaldo's the biggest fan on the planet, going against Khalid, who defeated Ronaldo, the best soccer player in the world. Which, I don't know, might make Khalid the best soccer player in the world. If Speed wins, I will give a random fan of his 100 grand. If Khalid wins, he gets 100 grand instead.
Sorry, Speed fans.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right, the rules to this game are simple. First person to hit 3 targets wins. Exactly like the game you beat Ronaldo in.
Back then, I said it's a 50-50 chance, but now it's like 90-10.
Whoa, you're that confident.
He's too confident. He beat Ronaldo. Ronaldo wasn't trying, so now he thinks it's all rainbows and horses. Let's go.
Everyone back up.
Good luck.
Okay, Speed, $100,000 for your fans on the line.
For Ronaldo and my fans, I gotta do it for them.
Will he hit a target? Hit it! Oh.
Where'd that go?
Speed completely whiffed his first shot. Let's see if Khalid can go up by 1.
Oh, he got close.
He's too accurate.
Oh my God, that was close.
All right, Speed's going right into it. What's going through your mind?
Bro, Beast is like, bro, he's like Beast.
Jimmy, give him some space, bro. My bad. I'm sorry. Oh, that was Chandler, not a target.
Chandler is not red and white.
All right, it's on you whenever you're ready. You don't have to keep going easy on him. The slow-mo.
Bro, I'm on face, bro.
Oh my God. In his face.
Bro, congrats. I think Speed is actually getting mad. Well, if Speed doesn't hit this, he might be doing what Ronaldo did. Oh, it's just under. Are you gonna show no mercy? Are you gonna Ronaldo him?
Oh my God!
It's 2. Oh my gosh.
Speed, do it for your fans.
All right, surely he hits 1. Oh my gosh. I've known Speed for a while, and I could tell he was actually getting mad.
Oh my God.
This is literally to a T what happened to Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
You're about to beat Speed after beating Ronaldo. No shot. No shot, he just ended right here. No shot. Oh! Speed, I can't believe I'm saying this, but you're about to get 3-0'd by Khalid. Ronaldo, if you're watching, look away. He got it! He got it! Let's go! Speed got a point! You're in this now, man. Bro, he's so locked in. This is the quietest I've ever seen Speed in my life.
Lead has been going to the right side.
Oh my God.
It's a beautiful goal.
This is aura if he wins.
This one's for Ronaldo.
Oh, so
my
close.
gosh.
They kept going back and forth, and even though Khalid was confident, he was struggling to make that final shot.
Speed is not changing.
Let's go, Speed.
Oh! He tied it! He tied it! He's not even saying a word.
2-2.
Speed, the world wants to know. What? It's something. Give us something.
Ronaldo.
Whoever hits the final target wins. Khalid, you could end it here. You don't. He could end it.
Oh my God.
Oh,
The dagger!
I'm trying to hype you up.
I couldn't believe it. These two kept going back and forth, and I knew that at any moment, either one of them could win the $100,000.
Come on, bro.
This is Speed's opportunity to end it all. Get the dub. Congrats to this Speed fan for winning $100,000!
GG's, bro. GG's, bro.
This is the strongest man in the world. Later in this video, we're gonna see if he can win a tug-of-war against 100 kids. But first, to showcase how strong he is, he's seeing if he can pull this plane weighing over 50,000 pounds, over 75 feet. This is who you guys will be going up against.
He got nothing on me!
Go! It's not budging! Wait, guys, look, it's moving! He is literally pulling a plane! This is your opponent!
God.
Oh! He just pulled a plane! Do you think you can beat him in tug of war? We'll find out later in the video!
For this next 1v1, we crashed a Savannah Bananas baseball game.
Hey everybody! How you guys doing? Before I came out here, out of 40,000 people, I had them pick 2 random seats. So, will Kyla W and Bowen H come on down? So here's what we're gonna be doing. Chandler, come on out. If Chandler gets on base, she will win $50,000.
Come on, hit the ball.
All right, that's the goal.
But if the tailgaters get him out, or anyone in the stadium catches the ball, he will win $50,000.
3 pitches, 3 strikes.
I got you, man.
$50,000 at bat in front of 40,000 people, Chandler. Good luck. Here comes the first pitch. Strike 1. Your odds are not looking too good so far. If he gets 3 strikes, he's out.
Come on.
All right, here's the next pitch.
Oh, man.
All right, it's going into the stance. If a fan catches it, he's out. Sorry, Chan, you're out. To that fan over there that caught the baseball and won you $50,000, what do you want to say to them?
Thank you for $50,000. I just showed up to this game and won $50,000 because Chandler sucks.
So, of course, we found the fan that caught the ball and brought him down to the field. So, we can also give you $10,000 for getting Chandler out.
Let's go.
Chandler, what do you want to say to him? He's the reason you got out.
Why would you do that to me?
My bad.
It's all right, congrats.
Chandler, that was embarrassing.
I know, I'm a little sad.
I'll put up another 50 grand if you want to run it back.
I do.
But since this was an actual baseball game, we'll have to wait for the next inning to end.
All right, it's time. If Chandler gets on base, Kyla here, unlike last time, will win $50,000. But if the tailgaters get him out, then Brian, the fan that caught Chandler's foul ball, will win $50,000 on top of his $10,000. What do you want to say to Chandler over there? All he has to do is get on first base.
Keep your eye on the ball and make sure you use your hips.
What do you have to say to your pitcher right here?
I need you, bro. I need you, bro.
This is Chandler's last chance. It's time to lock in. Here comes pitch number 1. Swing and a miss. 1 strike. He has 1 strike, but we're still good.
It all comes down to this moment. All Chandler has to do is get to first base.
Oh! 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 It's going to be close. Your dad just won 50 grand!
Yeah, let's go!
Is your dad the coolest dad now?
Yeah!
Anything you want to say, Chandler?
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Let's go to the next bit.
Next up, we have one of the closest competitions we've ever done.
If this amateur, Johnny, can manage to hit this golf ball all the way to the middle of the lake and hit this Tesla, he keeps it. And no joke, Johnny is literally a random guy I found on a golf course.
Are you subscribed to MrBeast?
Yeah, for sure.
Are you free for the next couple hours?
I can be.
Come with me.
But if 2-time major champ Bryson DeChambeau, one of the greatest golf players alive, hits it first, I will give his biggest fan the Tesla instead. Let's go. And obviously, since he's the best golf player in the world, we're gonna give you 3 shots for every 1 he gets.
Good luck. Good luck.
All right, Johnny, you're up first. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I might actually.
Wait, that actually might snipe it.
Johnny, did you do it?
Go.
Oh! Oh! It hit right in front of us right before. Oh, I'm getting real nervous.
All right, 2 more.
Oh, there you go. That should.
Left.
Wait, that one was way off.
All right, I gotta get it right here.
Last shot, and then it's Bryson's turn.
Oh.
Right.
Oh my gosh, that almost hit me.
All right, Bryson. I need a ride home. The bus dropped me off, so I don't want to carry these clubs all the way back.
Oh baby, come on.
Bro, is he gonna one-shot it?
Come on, Bryson Rochambeau.
Best golf player on the planet. Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, to the right.
Got 3 more shots. Nothing special here.
that it?
Get away from
Come on, that's it.
Oh! Right over top. This is his second.
That's looking good, third, baby.
Wait.
Come on.
No.
Oh! It hit the dock, but not the Tesla.
That was so close.
3 more shots, Johnny. You're not gonna get many more chances. Oh, Carl!
We're good. While they're whiffing, let's talk about our brand Feastables. We just released this 70-count pack, and it has all of our favorite flavors in mini sizes: milk chocolate, milk crunch, and creamy peanut butter cups.
Oh, pretty good.
This is the most Feastables you can get in one bag, and it's exclusively available at Costco. It's here just in time for Halloween, so get yours today.
Thanks, Carl. Now watch your head.
There it is. Please, please, please.
Is that the money?
Oh my.
Whoa!
What?
That is crazy.
Johnny, you got this.
No.
Still yanking it.
All right, my turn.
Turn, that's it. Get left.
It's on point.
Go ball.
That might be it.
At it.
No,
That's
man.
it. Oh, the dock again. Oh.
That landed right in front of us.
This is rigged. Completely rigged.
You need to lock in, Johnny. Bryson keeps getting closer. This might be your last chance.
No.
The amateur's getting tired. Are you tired, Johnny? Do you want Chandler to get a shot in for you?
I can do it in 5 tries right now.
Oh my gosh, he called it out.
See what we got here.
Oh, Chandler's hitting now?
Dude, wait, I'm gonna piss him off.
Beep the horn as soon as he hits it. Chandler is subbing in for Johnny, but it will still count for Johnny.
Who honked in my swing? If it's Nolan, I'm gonna get him.
He's got to be mad. Chandler, he's getting closer than ever. This could be your last chance.
Chandler doesn't have a chance.
Oh, man.
Chandler, I'm begging you.
What are you doing?
Chandler.
You got this, Chandler!
Your family.
Lock in!
Keep going. Please.
Oh my
You
God.
turn it. Go.
Oh, my...
Bryson, I have to walk.
Congrats on the Tesla! Chandler, you're better than Bryson DeChambeau. Let's go to the next bit. Let's head to our final challenge before 100 kids face off with the world's strongest man. Up next, we have Darius, famously jumped higher than a tiger, topping his own world record vertical leap, doing a dunk contest versus Drewski
Yes.
with the trampoline.
Well, that helps.
There is one catch. You will have to dunk on this 10-foot goal. But each round, we will be raising the height by half a foot until one of you can dunk and the other can't. Let's see what you're up against, Drewski. Darius is going to be going first. We're starting off with your typical 10-foot hoop.
All right, we'll see if I still got it.
Let's see Darius. Oh my gosh, wait. Yo, he just trick-shot it on you. He said a normal dunk's too easy.
That ain't
Oh
nothing.
my god.
I got something.
Boys, bring in the trampoline. Drewski's turn on a 10-foot goal.
We gonna have somebody test it before I go out?
You're worried you might break it?
Because you had some of your boys set up some of this stuff.
Yeah, you won't die.
Okay, all right.
You'll be good.
Make me like Mike. All right.
Michael Jordan! This is actually gonna be an intense dunk contest.
Hey, that trampoline worked, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Raise the goal to 10.5 feet. On you. The #1 jumper on the planet. Oh my god. All right. 10.5 feet when you're ready.
Make me like Mike!
Come on, Drewski.
Drewski, wait. Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Cool. Where's the prize money?
It's about pride. It's about showing up the highest
No, I
jumper on the
said
planet.
prize, not pride.
Yeah, it's about pride.
Okay.
All right, 11 feet.
Raise it up.
All right, surely he can do 11 feet. Okay. Whoa, I think we're getting to his limit.
11.5, that's gonna be tough.
Yeah.
But I don't know if Drewski can do 11 though. So I think I'm pretty confident.
Bring out the trampoline! Come on! Let's go!
I can see him shaking. You see him shaking?
Yeah. Drewski, this is a big moment. 200 million people are gonna watch this.
Where's the $200 million, man?
Okay. Maybe next time. All right, Drewski, 11 feet. This is gonna be interesting.
LeBron James!
Let's go!
Let's go! We gotta do the next one. Y'all chill out.
He made that look easy.
What'd I tell you?
To be honest, Drewski, I actually don't know if he can do 11 and a half.
What? Sit it up!
I don't like looking at it.
Oh my gosh.
You go. That was a bucket.
That goal is terrifying.
Bring in the ladder. It's a long way up.
Oh my gosh. Darius, you touched 12 feet in the air when you beat Luna the Tiger, but there's a difference between jumping 12 feet and getting your hand in a ball in this rim. Is there any human on the planet that can dunk on this goal?
We gonna see.
The highest jumper on the planet. Let's see if he can do it.
Let's do it.
You want a lob?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. In front of the entire world, can Darius, highest jumper on the planet, dunk on an 11.5-foot goal? Chandler's gonna be alley-ooping it.
Got my faith in you.
All right.
Oh! He missed!
No way.
Drewski, if you hit an 11.5-foot dunk, you win.
Yes.
But you got this, man.
I got this.
Everyone is gonna think you're an athletic freak in nature.
was always
Everyone
right.
will respect you now.
No, they always
Put that ball in the hoop.
People have always respected me. What are you talking about, man?
Let's go, Drewski!
Off the backboard, right?
Yeah.
All right, you don't need that anymore then.
All right.
Okay.
Come on, man. Don't let me
Deep
down.
breaths. I got you. Drewski, are you the most athletic man on the planet?
Be honest.
I am.
Prove it right here.
Come on, Drewski.
I'm like Vince Carter!
I've never seen him run that fast before.
Yes, sir.
I told you, man, when we started this, I was more athletic. Y'all can bring the water in.
Yeah. Here, you need to sit down.
I told you.
You can jump higher than a tiger, but not Drewski. Let's head to the next challenge. And now, our grand finale is one of the world's craziest battles of strength. This is the strongest man in the world, and he's going to be playing tug of war against these 100 kids.
That is a lot of kids.
That plane you pulled earlier weighed 50,000 pounds. So in theory, you should just be able to drag them.
It sounds so simple when you say it.
Well, simple doesn't mean easy. In this version of Tug of War, you'll have to pull the other team's red marker across the red line to win the round. If you guys win, I'll give you Feastables! Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Pull! Pull with everything you got! Oh my gosh, the kids gained momentum! Fight! Fight! The runs across the line! The kids just destroyed him! Alright, bring the rest of them out. I brought the 10 strongest men on Earth! These guys are freaking huge! I've never felt so small in my life.
You are scary! You are scary!
Standing in front of you is over 2 tons of raw muscle and power. These Titans have won strongman competitions across the globe, and together they can lift the weight of 4 pickup trucks. And now we're gonna start adding strong challengers to each new round to see how many it takes to beat 100 kids, starting with 2019's official strongest man in the world. All right, surely this time you can resist, what, a couple seconds?
We better be able to.
It's past your bedtime. Go to sleep.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! The kids just yanked the rope. Oh my God, they're waxing them. You got this. Oh my God, stop. The kids just destroyed them. That was almost instant. So this isn't going right. I think we bring in 2 guys this next time.
Let's go. Let's go.
Now we're gonna up the strong team to 4. This should be a little closer. Ready, go! Oh, all right, the strong team isn't budging. Pull with everything you got. The kids are pulling them now.
Oh, the kids are winning. The kids are winning. This is too easy.
They just destroyed them. Well, Since 4 wasn't enough to win, we upped the strong team to 6. Go! This round started off neck and neck, but then the kids dug deep and dragged the strong team over the line.
Easy!
That's crazy. 8 absolute giants are stepping up to the rope. If the kids want to take this round, they're gonna have to give it everything they've got. 3, 2, 1, go! Pull! Oh, they're holding it back! Oh! The men are standing their ground. Oh! Wait, the kids are pulling them now. Oh, this is closer. But the kids got it!
You're going down! I see the fear in all your eyes!
Okay. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The 10 strongest men on the planet, weighing over 4,000 pounds, 7 world championships versus 100 kids. Are you ready?
Remember all the squats you've done, all the huffing and puffing over the years, the difficulties, all have led to this one moment of glory.
All right, this is it. Both sides, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! Dig in! Dig in everything you've got! Oh my gosh, the kids are pulling them! Look at that teamwork! They're taking off! The guys are losing ground!
Hold! Now!
Oh, they're holding! Dig deep! Give it everything you have! All your hard work comes down to this one moment! Show these kids what you can do when you dedicate your life to one thing.
Dig in!
Oh my gosh, he's slipping! Oh! Oh! Fight! 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 Oh! You're gonna do it! You're doing it! Yes! You won! You won! You won! 100 kids beat the 10 strongest